Today's lesson is lesson 123, locating negative numbers on a number line. So a thermometer is a type of number line. If we look at the Celsius thermometer, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and it freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. So a cool temperature would be around 50 degrees Celsius, and a cold temperature would be from 0 or maybe negative 10 degrees Celsius. When the temperature is 10 degrees below 0, we say it is minus 10 degrees or negative 10 degrees Celsius. Okay? So this number here is read as negative 10 degrees. Okay? So if I have 25 degrees below 0, it would be written as negative 25 degrees. Okay? Or written negative 25 degrees. Okay, so here we have a number line, and we're going to draw it so it has positive and negative numbers. We want to use a horizontal line because it's easier for us to write on. Okay? Remember, a line goes on forever, and that's different than a segment. So first we put a mark near the center and label it 0. We need to use about equal spacing between the numbers on a number line. What can we use to make the spaces on our number line the same size? So you can use a ruler. I'm going to try to do it by hand just as close as possible, but you might want to use a ruler. Okay? You could also use an eraser or anything else to make it so you have even spaces. Okay, so I'm going to write the positive numbers first. So starting at 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are pretty close together, pretty close to the same size. Okay, all these numbers are known as positive numbers. Okay, so we're going to now make marks to the left of the 0. These numbers are called negative numbers. And you want to use the same object to make equal spaces. So we go to the left beginning at 0. And it's kind of like we're walking away from 0. So if we have the first mark, it's 1 unit away from 0. So we mark this as a negative 1. Then the next one is 2 marks away from 0, so that'd be negative 2. Then negative 3, negative 4, and finally negative 5. When using a number line, we can always keep going. If I continued to the right, I could add a 6, a 7, and continue it on. I can go up to 1,000,000 and 1,000,000,000. Okay? There's a symbol to represent the largest possible number because we can't ever find it because we can keep getting bigger. And that symbol is called the infinity symbol, and it looks kind of like a sideways 8. Because the set of numbers is infinite or endless, we call the symbol infinity. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.